Hello guys and welcome to our tutorial on Replit AI, an all-in-one cloud IDE with a powerful AI code developer. In 5 minutes, you will learn how to spin up a project with plain English, get code suggestions, collaborate live, and deploy your app, all without a local setup. The first thing we must do is, of course, we must go into replit.com and then we need to click on to start building in order to create an account. Now you can create an account with Google, with GitHub, or with X. I'm just going to create one with Google. Now let's click on this account here and let's accept the permissions. Now after you log in for the first time, you're going to have access to the AI chat, which is the main feature that we're going to use in order to create our websites and app. Let's give you an example. Let's ask the Replit AI to create a web for us. Okay, so let's say create a React to-do list app with Supabase authentication, that is for users, and user roles. Okay, now a couple of things to keep in mind here is that you can attach files in case that you want to grab inspiration for a certain image or from a certain style or from a certain PDF. Okay, so you can attach images or PDF, and in the app type you can keep it to auto, and the agent is then going to choose the technology that is needed to build this website or this app. But you can also choose different styles like modern one app, Python, so on and so on. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it to auto and I'm going to click on start building. Now this is going to take a couple of minutes. Now something that I don't like about Replit is the fact that it doesn't let you actually go through the thinking process that Replit is going to have. Okay, so you cannot see how the machine is actually thinking when creating this. However, there's a couple of things that I actually like, and it's the fact that it asks you before creating the page what kind of features you actually want in your website. Okay, for example, as you can see here, it says, would you like any of these additional features? And we can actually select them. For example, let's say that I want to have different categories or tags. I want to have due dates, reminders, task priority levels, okay, which is great. Now, something that you can also do, for example, is you can see basically the estimated time. As you can see here, we can have a visual preview in about 2 minutes and the first app version in about 10 minutes. So let's approve the plan and let's get started. Now, this took about 12 to 15 minutes. It actually asked me to fix a couple of mistakes that were happening. You have to pay close attention to that, but yeah. Now, we have been able to actually create an account in order to add tasks, as you can see here. Something that you can do, of course, is you can open this in a new tab by clicking into this button here, and from here you can add a new task. Let's say, for example, exercise, and let's assign, I don't know, a high priority, for example, and it's working fine. This is amazing, actually. Okay, we have an error here that we will try to solve later, but yeah, this works pretty good so far, and it looks great, actually. Now, something that I love about Replit is the fact that you can access the code by going to this file section here. If you click on open files, here you can see all of the different files of the app. And something that I like even more here is that if I click on this on a specific file and I select a snippet of the code, I can ask the AI assistant what this code is about. Okay, so I'm just going to select this part and I'm going to ask explain with assistant, and the AI is going to give me necessary information about this snippet of code, which is amazing. Okay, now keep in mind also that in order to run this page, you must have this agent running here. Okay, do not stop it. Okay, you can invite more people to your project here, and they can modify the project and they can join it and see it. Okay, with their username or with their email. And you can also deploy this website by clicking into this button. Now, security matters, and Replit automatically scans for your dependencies, for vulnerabilities, and flags issues. You can also do something great here, which is using the secrets tab to store the API keys or database URLs. If you want to do this, you can just come here to all tools, go to basically secrets, and from here you can copy paste your, API or your URLs, okay, which is amazing. You can also scan for problems by coming into all tools and going into problems here. And as you can see, we are clean on that thing. So when you're ready and when your page is looking fine, keep in mind that you can always modify it, of course, by asking, the agent about doing more things or modifying certain stuff. But yeah, when you're ready, you can just come to deploy here, and now you can basically select whatever option you want. In my case, I'm just going to select auto scale here. The thing is that you need to upgrade to a paid plan in order to deploy, okay, which I find pretty inconvenient. But besides that, I think that Replit is a pretty cool tool to create websites and apps. It has a ton of options, personalization. It even explains to you the code that it's creating. And most importantly, I think that it has a lot of developer tools, security tools, and things like that that are maybe more advanced. So if you're a beginner, I maybe would not actually recommend you this tool because I think it's a more advanced tool. But yeah, I think it's pretty good and it has a bunch of functionalities and features that are going to enable to create a website or app using different technologies in a matter of just minutes. Thank you so much, guys.